Hey guys, Brandon here. Come check out Residence 4 of Wrenwood, a new community in the master plan community of Whitney Ranch. 2,580 square feet, 3 to 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms. Let's go take a tour. Thanks for taking this quick tour with me. If you'd like to see it in person, feel free to send me a direct message. With this real estate market changing recently, it is more important than ever to have an expert negotiator on your side helping you get the best price, the best terms, and that's right, the lowest interest rate. So feel free to reach out to me and I'll make that happen for you. This Residence 4 is only one of 4 models here in Wrenwood. If you'd like to see the other models, check out sacramentonewhomeguide.com. Good luck on your home search, and I will see you at your housewarming party.